Hey everyone, this is Andy O'Fee, the Yankee closer. Today is Friday the 13th. Hope everyone's having a great day. It is beautiful outside. We had a relatively quiet week as far as the market goes, but some good news on the inflationary front today. Yesterday we got the producer price index, which is the inflationary data on the wholesale side. Today we got the consumer price index, which is the data on the consumer side. And year over year, it came in slightly lower than expected, which is always good. We know inflation is not good for yields on bonds. It affects the return on fixed income. So that little dip in inflationary numbers today has given yields on the benchmark treasury, the 10-year note, a push downward, which is super for us for the rate side. We've been challenging the 200-day moving average on yields on the 10-year note for the past 5 trading sessions, and today, now we have kind of broken below that, and we're now sitting right at or near it, which is positive for us. So we may see that intraday move or intra-week move that I've been commenting on from the beginning of the week when we got to 240 last week on the 10-year note after the non-farm payroll number. So we're going to keep our eyes on the inflationary numbers now. Like I said, any type of intraday or intra-week move where I think we see the market dip a little bit, I think you got to take advantage of these drops right now. I think the market is incredibly overpriced, and I do fear that we will see it break back up again, and that will put pressure on our rates. So let's take a quick look at the chart that I love to look at on a daily basis, and here it is. So here we have the 200-day moving average, this pretty blue line coming across, and as you can see here, for the past 5 or 6 days, we were trading above that. Last Friday, we got the 240. That was the target number that we hit intraday. It did bounce back down, and then again, after today's inflationary data, we have bounced back and forth, back to 223 to 228, and now we're kind of hovering right in this tight little range right now, which we need to keep our eyes on. Like I said, any type of intraday move or intra-week move that we get, again, if we start trading back down through here and we get below other significant levels of Fibonacci resistance as far as yields dropping, then, like I said, then we have to kind of reset and think about floating more aggressively as we look at rates drop. So again, we're going to keep our eyes on that today. Big weekend again. Everybody knows what this means. The Yankees are in the ALCS, which is pretty cool, and the Cubs got lucky last night. I'm sorry, Cub fans, but you got lucky. And the Yankees are now playing the Houston Astros tonight at 7 o'clock. So anybody's an Astro fan out there, I'm sorry, but hey, I am the Yankee closer, and if you look behind me here, we do have Yogi Berra all dressed up and ready to go. So again, your rates are improving today, and that's a good sign, and I hope everyone has a bunch of great open houses this weekend. I've been sending out a bunch of flyers today, and if you have one and you need one, don't hesitate to give me a call. Andy O'Fee, the Yankee closer. Hope everyone has a super duper weekend. See you soon.